good. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. And today I decided to upload a quick short little video about what's going on in my life, what's coming next. It's Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving. For what's new, we picked up. We got a new dog. Hey. We got a new dog. This is Oatmeal. Super good dude. We wanted Concord to have, a companion, and although we're living in a really small apartment, we thought that now was as good a time as any to get a second dog because Concord is only a year old. We didn't want to wait a couple years until we get into a bigger place to get a new puppy, where we were worried that Concord would be outgrown, where she would outgrown her like playful tendencies and the puppy would annoy her. On top of that, she might get jealous, and we wanted to just go ahead and get her a companion now. So we did that. Another standard poodle, this time chocolate, this time a boy. It's been great, okay? Now, something else that I want to touch on is that I recently on my channel, I reached over 200 subscribers, and it's been really cool to see that. When I started making videos a couple years ago, I basically decided that I wanted to record a couple things here and there, share them with the internet, and that's evolved into making videos about all kinds of different things that I like. And the goal really from the beginning was to basically share things that I'm interested in with the internet in hopes that I could build a community of people who enjoy those same things, and we can have a dialogue about those things, and we can hold each other accountable, and we can learn from each other. And I started with 0 subscribers, and now I've got 200. It's crazy. It's a really big deal. I can't believe it. So if you've subscribed, thank you. It means a lot. And for everyone who's been commenting and starting up conversations in the comment sections, I really appreciate that too. That's how we're going to grow. That's how we're going to become better versions of ourselves, by learning from each other. Now, here's what I'm doing today. Yesterday or 2 days ago or whatever, my girlfriend in her Nissan Altima ran over her quarterly screw in the road. She has to run over one every couple months. It's just what she does. So I decided that I would try to plug it. Her dad sent a plug kit here to me, and I tried to plug it. I am incapable of working on mechanical things like that. I can tighten the trucks on my skateboard, and I think that's about as far as it goes. The tire, while I was working on it, fell over, and the valve stem broke off the tire. So I am so done with messing with it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna hop in the truck, I'm gonna put the tire in the bag, and we're gonna go to a tire shop, and I'm gonna ask someone to plug it for me, and hopefully that can get her back on the road. So let's go. Hopefully you can see me okay here. I think there's a tire shop like up the road. I'm basically just gonna drive around. I'm in downtown Nashville. I'll be able to find quite a few, but I'm just looking for one that will be able to help me and one that's open today. I assume it's Black Friday. I assume like tire shops will be open. We're gonna see. So yeah, let's go get this knocked out. I googled like tire places like in Nashville, and I ended up in a pretty unsavory part of Nashville. But anyway, everyone was super cool. 20 bucks later, the tire was repaired, and I put it back on the car just now. Moral of the story, if you don't do something regularly and it's not your thing, don't do it irregularly. So basically, I cannot stand working on vehicles, yet I attempted to fix a flat tire regardless, and it was just so annoying. It ended up taking up half of my day. I got bloody knuckles from it. Like, it's really bad. I'm just not good at working on vehicles. So anyway, that's all I have to say about that. Stick around because the Raptor video is coming soon, the full review. I think you guys are gonna like it. And until then, thanks for watching.